Rise and shine, team! Today is the big expedition!
I am not rising. I am comfortable.
Hold still, Bella. We need sun protection.
I look like a seal! A white-nosed seal!
Oh, Bella. Art class is later. Let's clean this up.
Hydration is key. 1, 2, 3, 4 bottles.
And the Catmobiles are ready.
Wait! We cannot go to breakfast in pajamas. Today is a special day. It is Hawaii Theme Day!
It looks like the Ocean Princess! I love it!
And this is for you, Harry. Maui style.
Mom, it is very bright. Do I have to?
Look at us! We are the village chiefs!
Okay. Fine. But only for today.
We look like a movie poster! One flower for me. Now we are ready. So, honey, what is the plan? Do I need to navigate the map?
No maps for you today. Just relax.
Aloha! Wow, I love the outfits. Table for 4?
Table for 4, plus 2 small tigers.
Of course! Right this way to the patio. Animals love the fresh air.
Can I have pancakes? And waffles? And eggs?
Pick one main thing, Harry. You need energy, not a sugar crash.
Thank you. I need this magic potion.
Seriously, honey, where are we going? The rental car is small.
I hired a private guide. He has a big van. He is driving us everywhere.
You did? So I don't have to give directions?
Nope. You just sit back and watch the scenery.
Best husband ever.
Does the guide know where the mermaids live?
Aloha! Looking for the... Woo! Nice shirts!
You fit right in. I'm Ben. Ready to see the Jurassic jungle?
Yeah! Let's go!
I have never had cat passengers before. They are the captains today.
Look at how green the mountains are. It looks like velvet.
Step out carefully. The wind is very strong here.
My hat! The wind stole my hat! Whoosh!
Got it! That was close!
This is the Poly, an ancient volcano wall. Incredible view, isn't it?
is breathtaking! Literally! It takes my breath away! Ah!
This wind is most undignified.
Welcome to Kualoa Ranch, Hollywood's favorite backyard.
This bus has no windows. What if it rains?
Then we get a free shower. Nature's spa.
Dad, look! That's the spot from the movie poster!
Dr. Purr, look at the camera. Look fierce.
I am fierce. I am simply conserving my energy.
Okay, photo time. Go stand in the dinosaur footprint.
We all fit! That was one big dinosaur!
Are you hot? Ready to swim?
I am melting. I need water.
We have to walk to the waterfall first. Look at the flowers. What is this? It looks like a brain.
That is noni fruit. It is medicine, but it smells like stinky cheese.
Ew. Old socks. Why would you eat that?
I hear it. The waterfall's close.
It is huge and loud.
This jacket is a little tight. I think I need a large.
Suck in your tummy, Dad. There. Perfect fit.
Who goes first?
Don't think. Just jump. 1, 2, 3.
It's freezing! My toes are ice cubes!
Keep moving. Swim. You will warm up.
Look at them, Popcorn. Humans are funny creatures.
Okay, dry off. Last stop. The Turtle Beach.
I don't see any turtles. Just rocks.
Wait! That rock has a face!
It is ancient. Look at the moss on its shell.
Remember Ben's rule. Observe. Don't disturb.
I am tired, but happy, tired.
Thank you for the guide, honey. It was a perfect day.
I knew you would like it. No maps, just memories.
The sun is gone. Time for dinner?
And as the stars came out, the Smith family slept soundly. Aloha.
Subscribe to Dr. Purr
And popcorn!
for more stories. See you next time.